Okay, what we want to do is we want to get you control of any of this, any of the pages that you want to control or collaborate with, and so there's no more frustration or anything. We don't want that to happen. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to log into my account one last time, just so you can pick the pages that you want to collaborate on. So we're going to sign in on mine and choose the EduYRK. Okay, now let's go find any pages. I'm just going to do one sample one, then you can do any of the ones that you want. But I figure you are probably going to want, well, I was going to say the copyright free one. You're probably going to want to add that one for sure, I think. So we're going to add that one as soon as I find it. Royalty free. I'm going to click on that one, and we're going to click share. And we're going to invite a collaborator. So this is, you could be doing this on any of these Symbaloo pages on under my login. Okay, so when this pops up, we're going to allow others access. We're going to click change first on that. Share privately. Okay. Add collaborator. We're going to put in your name. And your email address, French KA210, and I'm going to send invitation. All right. Then just back to the overview. Now, make sure that allow user to edit. Yep. Okay, that's what we got there. Ooh, not sure why that popped up. Okay. So now you should have an alert under your Symbaloo saying that you've been shared with on that. So now what we're going to just do is simply log out of mine. Once you've done that to all the ones that you want to collaborate with or add to the Irish Ed, well, you can sign out of mine. We'll go ahead and select all the ones you think you might want to collaborate on any of these, or and put onto the Irish Ed public site. All right, so sign out. I got to pause for a second. Okay, back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to sign in under yours. French K210. And let's see, English 1-2. Sign in. All right, so see that you got those 3 notifications up here. So we're going to click on that. You have been invited to contribute to a web mix. That's the one that I just shared with you. This is the one, the original one with the book trailers and stuff. That's why it's now under yours. So click on that, and contribute to this web mix is what you're going to want to click. And now accept. Very good. Okay. So now you'll see that this is now under your Symbaloo. There it is. There's the British Literature one. There's the royalty free. So now you could do that with any of those pages that you decide from under mine, from under the original EduYRK. We can collaborate on those. You just gotta select them and do the share thing that I showed you. All right. So now once we have those, you can mess with this one however you want. You can add things to this one. Now I'm going to show you every time you make a change and you want it to be on the public one, you're going to have to do this. Click share, publish to a workplace, and republished. And once you do that, any changes you make there will be on the public web mix so the students can see it. That's simple. And you can do that with any of them. Let's say that you wanted to do this one. This is your own page that you created, or maybe it was one that Symbaloo did automatically. Photo memories. My entertainment. There we go. Your entertainment. Let's say you wanted to do that. You can share, publish to workspace, etc. No, you don't want the kids on that one, so there you go. This way, if we decide to collaborate on a vacation page, we could have it in here, collaborating on it, but we don't have to publish it to the public one. So there you go. All right, I hope this helps out and we can avoid any more frustration. I hate that. All right. Talk to you later.